Japan is home to over 6,000 species of plants and animals, and Okinawa has a greater variety than anywhere else. An extravaganza of birds, flowers, and insects. Some, like the meter-and-a-half-long Habu pit viper, are deadly. They hide during the daytime and lash out if disturbed. This Garden of Eden has a bigger threat than the serpents. It's the Indian mongoose. In 1910, just 4 were released in the south of the island. The government had the best intentions to reduce the snake population. Mongooses have an insatiable appetite for snakes, hunting and killing them whenever they can. The plan started well. The mongooses went forth and multiplied some more. Within years, there were thousands. They spread across the island. By the 1990s, they had reached the lush forests of the north. But the scientists missed one important detail. The Indian mongoose hunts mainly by day. Their target snakes work the night shift. Predator and prey rarely meet. So the snake population remains unaffected. With no natural predators, the mongooses thrive on a rich diet, including birds and their eggs.